What's up guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enlarge your phone keyboard for convenience on your phone. Now to do this, the first thing you want to do is open, for example, Google Chrome on your phone. You just need to find a keyboard. It doesn't matter which application you open, as long as you're about to type and you have your keyboard up here, then follow these steps. Now once you're on your keyboard, you may see settings appear. If not, click the three dots to the upper right hand side to access the settings of your keyboard. Now, once you click on that, you'll see settings. Click on settings right there, and you will be taken into the Samsung keyboard settings, right? And you can see that as well, that you can also access that from your phone as well. So that simply means that you can go to access this from settings. In settings, you will go into your phone and just scroll down and you'll find general management. And of course, we're looking for keyboard, right? So we click on keyboard and you'll be able to find it from here. Once you click on the default keyboard, right, you can click on the settings here and it's going to take you over to the settings of the keyboard. Now, both ways you can do it, either going to the settings or by accessing this from the keyboard itself by clicking on settings. Now you scroll down, guys, and you want to look for size and transparency. Click on that and you will see the current size of your keyboard. Now you want to maximize your keyboard by clicking at the top and just drag it, and it's going to enlarge your keyboard to the maximum size. That's going to ensure that the keyboard is stretched out and it's bigger, and of course it's going to be much better for your fingers to type. Once you do that, you scroll down again and find font size. Click on font size, and from here you want to push this to the right or toggle this to the right to the maximum. That's going to ensure that the size of those keypads or the font size is larger for you as well. Once you do that, click the down arrow on your phone, click show keyboard, and of course you will see that it's much different and it's much better and it's much more convenient for typing. With that said, guys, I really hope you found this quick tip useful. If you do, give this video a like, and if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I'll really appreciate that, so that you can become a part of this growing community. And of course, it give me a signal letting me know the type of videos that you guys really find useful, and I can make more of them. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.